Tired of chasing signatures and want to close deals faster? Let's dive into how Keller Williams agents can seamlessly add signatures in Docusign, ensuring compliance and boosting efficiency. First, log into your Docusign account through KuConnect or your preferred access point. Once you're in, click on New to start a new envelope, then upload the document you need signed. Click Browse to select the document from your computer and upload the document. This could be a listing agreement, purchase offer, or any other necessary form. Next, add the recipients who need to sign the document. Type in their names and email addresses in the designated fields. Ensure you add yourself, the Keller Williams agent, as a recipient to include your signature. Now, it's time to add the signature fields. Drag and drop the signature field from the left-hand panel onto the correct spot in the document where you need the signature. Remember, Keller Williams may have specific requirements for signature placement, so be sure to check with your brokerage for guidance. Click on the signature tag and Docusign will ask you to adopt a signature style. You can choose a pre-made style or draw your own. Place the signature fields for all of the necessary signatories, and once you're satisfied with the placement of all signature tags, click Send. With Docusign, you can keep your transactions moving swiftly and efficiently.